in Georgetown, Kentucky. We're at BCTC's Georgetown campus, and more specifically, the Advanced Manufacturing Center. With the Advanced Manufacturing Center, it's really getting able to expose our students to a center that is emulating that work environment so that they're not just stuck in the traditional classrooms. Our students like to be engaged, hands-on, in an open environment. This is the lab area within our campus that houses our Industrial Maintenance Technology program, the Advanced Manufacturing Technician program, our Computerized Machining and Manufacturing program, Integrated Engineering Technology, and Electrical Engineering Technology. We serve roughly around 300 students every semester. When students walk onto the campus, they love the layout of the campus. They're kind of floored by the lab equipment and the lab area and the open environment. And then once our students are in the classroom and they've entered the workplace, you can see that they just can directly apply the information. So they're able to directly apply what they've learned here in the classroom into that manufacturing world.